Hello, this is Tachibana Corporation coming at you with another unboxing video. Today we have another Bokksu unboxing. Premium Japanese snacks. Bokksu.com. Let's get into it. Hokkaido Holidays. Up here says Classic Bokksu, discovered Japan through snacks. Hokkaido Holidays. Hokkaido Holidays. The winter is a time for festivities and snow, and what better place to celebrate than Hokkaido, Japan's northernmost island. Hokkaido's winters are filled with winter festivals, relaxing onsen baths, and beautiful ice sculptures. Our curation shows off Hokkaido's amazing dairy products and produce, like gummies made with juicy Hokkaido apples, plus snacks that remind us of the wintry snow, like fluffy milk mochi puffs. We hope the box brings coziness to your winter. Discover where your snacks are from. Learn Japanese. I love the snowy looking candy or sugar. These all look delicious. All these look so good. You got corn tea. Delicious corn from Hokkaido. We hope you've enjoyed tasting all the wonderful snacks and tea that are flavored with Toyokibi corn from Hokkaido. You may be wondering what makes this corn special. Let's dive into the tasty world of the sweet Hokkaido corn. Here is all of the stories so you guys can read them. Next month's haiku hint is a happy new year to our Bokksu family. Snacks and teas await. Thank you. Thank you for being a wondrous Bokksu member. This month, I'm taking you on a flavored trip to Hokkaido because it's my favorite place to visit and the food is so good there. That's why I'm excited to deliver to you snacks made with Hokkaido grown ingredients such as corn, milk, apples, and more. We sincerely hope they add a bit more comfort and joy to your holiday season. By the way, did you know we now have high quality, delicious tinned foods on market? Go to bokksu.com/tinned and check them out. Happy snacking by the founder. I really don't like butchering his name. Here's the corn tea. It shows you how to do it and it has pictures, so if you can't read Japanese, you can see how much water you need and how much time for it to sit. and what to do afterwards. These look tasty. These look like fries, sort of. Hokkaido premium potato. These are the jellies made with the Hokkaido apples. These look good. These look like a sort of like trail mix snack. Has a mixture of peanuts and other things. It looks so good. I've had these before. They are very delicious. And I actually learned within the past 3 years that the Japanese don't actually eat much sugar. That was interesting to learn. These packagings are just gorgeous. There is a website that you can go to. These are the sweet potato cookies. I've had these before. These are delicious too. They're very chewy. I actually really like the chewy ones. I have 2 packages of these. Like chocolate covered chips. That looks delicious. Don't know why it's so delicious like that. These are chocolates. Does not look like there is anything on the back. I've had this popcorn before too. It's very good. Craving more? Save 10% with code CRAVE10 at bokksu.com/market. That seems to be the end of our Bokksu unboxing. If you guys have any more unboxing suggestions, please comment down below. Thank you, and catch you guys next time.